Hello, my name is Neža Filipović, and this is a video about exploring resources in teacher practice area. So the first thing we need to do is basically reach teacher practice area. Obviously, I have been here before, and I've already explored a few things. My topic is topic 17. So I need to turn editing on. If I want to add some more material, in this case resources to my topic. Once I've clicked on the green button and got this red button on, I will go to add an activity or a resource. Because we are dealing with resources this time, we have to scroll down to resources here, and if I want to upload a book, for example, I can probably have a new one. Let's see, add a book. Yes, adding a book. So the name of this book, let's call it a new book. Okay, description, it's not a must, but you can put a description here and it will appear on the front page. So here we have some options, but I think I will skip over them, and I will just save and display. Okay. So I need to write a title chapter, so let's this chapter, let's call it a new chapter. Right, we don't need sub chapters. Content, well, why not? I will draw something in the content. Okay, just something little, something nice. It's not going to be a bucket. Oh my god, it is going to be a boat. And just to, okay, so it looks like a boat. Let's put something here. Okay, oh my god, right, so it's a boat. Let's give some water here, just to be sure it's a boat. Okay, save picture, insert picture, and it's going to be a picture book. Right, save changes. I have a new book, a new chapter. So if I want to add more, here I have table of chapters, and if I want to, table of contents, sorry, and if I want to add new chapter, click on here, and I will spare you from watching another of my attempts to draw. So I will just cancel this second chapter. This is going to be a book with one chapter book. Right, I will return to the topic 17, and where is my book? I don't know where my book is, so I only have this old online teaching. A new book is here, so we are going to put it where it belongs. I'm going to, please book, come up. Right, I want to group my books. No, I'm just dragging. For some reason. Okay. Return to topic 17. Here is the... Okay. Right, I've got two books. Now you've seen how to make a book. I like them both, so I don't want to delete it, to delete any of them. The next thing we are going to do is, again, in the resources, put a folder. So I've already put one folder. If I want to make another one, I'll just say add, and I will write the name of the folder, the description if possible, contents, and so on. When I finish making it, I will click save and display, but at the moment we will just cancel, and here show you what I've already done. This is a folder, I've called it my videos, and this is my video how to use Poodle. I can download a folder, I can of course edit it, but for the moment I will return here. And I've added a couple of files here, how to add a file, of course, add an activity or resource, scroll down, find the file, click on the file, add file, and here write the name of the file, the description, and of course select files that I want to have it here, but I'm not going to do it here. Okay, and I've uploaded one PDF file here, my previous activities. So yes, this is a very interesting, very interesting area, if I can call it. And of course here are all my resources, and for some reason the activities actually named homework area. How did I do that? Again, add an activity or resource. This time I'm going to the label. Okay, add a label text. It was homework at that time. This time I'm going to make a label, and I will call it extra label. Extra label. Right, how very interesting. So why did I open it? Because I want to make this label more appealing. So I will select the text color. It was okay, red. I will change it into heading 2. As it is red, let's find something complementary. And oh my god, this one, and I will save and return to the course, and my label is here, and I can now again I can move it wherever I want, and in this way I can make this layout better. So I can't believe it's 8 minutes. There is so much here, and I think I didn't do anything, and it's time to say goodbye.